Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Ariya. The Nissan Ariya is an all-electric SUV that merges modern design with advanced technology. It features a sleek, spacious interior, impressive range, and a smooth, responsive driving experience, offering a blend of style and practicality for those seeking a sophisticated electric vehicle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.